Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Face ID not recognized on your iPhone. So guys, if you are facing this problem that your Face ID is not recognized on your iPhone, so in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, our first step is to open settings, and you have to make sure that you have an active internet connection, and then tap on VPN and make sure that there's not connected any of the VPN. If there's unconnected VPN, then you have to just simply disconnect the VPN and then go back and then tap on general and then tap on software update and update your device to the latest version of iOS. If you don't have updated version, then update it first and check if the problem is fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you have to just simply tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode and reset your all settings for one time. So guys, after doing this, hopefully your problem will be fixed. If still you are having this problem, then you have to just simply tap on your Face ID and passcode, and then you have to just simply reset your Face ID from here, and after that you have to just simply shut down your iPhone and then open it again and enter a new Face ID, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If the video helps you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.